Hello friends and welcome to our channel. As you know, we are discussing different types of accident lawyers in our channel, and today's our topic is best truck accident lawyer near me. So we will discuss best truck accident lawyer near me. Find a truck accident lawyer near you. You will just Forbes Advisor as a website where we can find best car accident lawyer, best motorcycle accident lawyer, best pedestrian accident lawyer, best bicycle accident lawyer. So these all are the. So just copy these keywords. Let's copy these keywords from here. Copy auto accident. We will find out here. These are the keywords for our videos. Keywords for our videos. What the issue in this? What? Okay, let's stop it. There is nothing came here. Keyword for our videos. Okay, keyword. Okay. So our topic is find a truck accident near us. So how long ago did the accident occur? So you will just fulfill this survey, and they will give you a best. These are the cities. If you are in any type of in any city, you will just click the New York City. They will give you a list of lawyers, just like it. Best truck accident line near New York City. These are the lawyers in New York City. So if you are interested, just click one of them and contact with them. Thank you.